Good morning, all you wonderful people. It's Tyler with High Crucible Steels. I am chilling on a Saturday morning with my coffee and cream on the porch on hole 11 out here at the golf course where we live. And we are just enjoying the morning for what it is. We got some juice, always the good stuff, and we've got something to talk about. Basically, I'm just going to show you real quick what we're working with. This is the Manix 2 Light Spring Changeout from knivesplus.com. Quickly show you the card and the social media for Knives Plus. This was about 15 bucks on their site. Not very expensive whatsoever. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Just cleaning up the blade here. What a beautiful action we have now. Feels so good, the lockup's just fine. Beautiful change out, and I'm very happy. Let me know what you think in the comments. You'll have a wonderful evening. Peace.